In today's video, I am going to show you how to get Sora AI for free. First, go to Mine Video A. Go to this website. This is the website. Click on Login for free. Log into this. Let's go to write some script to generate. Select Sora to here. Here you can generate Sora to for 0 credits. Let's write the script. Let's create the video. There is a queue for ATO and it usually takes 2 hours. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe.